In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram message primary and general option not showing on Android or iPhone. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix and get back the primary and general option on Instagram, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and open up the Instagram application here. And if I go to the message section, you'll get to see there is no primary and general option. Now to get this up from the home page, you just need to tap on this profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on this three dot line at the top right. And from the settings and activity, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and go and tap on account types and tools. And from here, you just need to tap on switch to professional account and go through this process and switch your account to the professional account. And from this page, you just need to exit the page. Now your account has turned into the professional account. Now if I close the window from here and if I reopen the Instagram application and if I go to the message section, you'll get to see the primary, general and request options has been added to my Instagram account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.